Does the C5 ZR1 style front lip cause your car to overheat? The answer is yes, but it's not a definitive yes. So I will explain that here in this video if you stick around and watch it. So if you watch my channel, you know I had the ZR1 lip on for LS Fest, but as soon as I got back home from Vegas, I took it off. It blocks airflow. Temps, you know, usually stay between 190s to 230 on a C5, and mine was staying well above 220 and sometimes hitting like 234 in traffic. So I decided to take that off. Even on the highway, it would take, you know, between 10-20 minutes of cruising down the highway for the temp to drop pretty low, especially with the hot temps here and in Vegas. The way a C5 Corvette gets cooled is from the other side. There is a air dam that sticks down and directs air up through the condenser to the radiator, and pretty much the ZR1 lip blocks that airflow. There is no other way for that air to get there. There's a shroud right here and the intake. You can cut out your license plate area, but even then, that's just, I don't see how it works, but that's me. I've seen some people drill through right next to the fog light, and there's no way for that air to get to the radiator if that shroud is on there. So as you can see, this is with the shroud and the intake removed. The radiator sits behind the AC condenser. So a big issue is if you don't have a newer radiator or condenser, they could be clogged with dirt and rocks. So you can try to blow that out if you have a compressor or anything like that. But as you can see with mine, it's done. I need a new one. I know that's not my main issue because I was not seeing that high of temperatures before the lip was installed. I had a really big issue trying to paint the lip in the first place. That's why it's taken so long for me to do this video, but then I finally got it right. The install is really easy. Well, it was for me. I did it all by myself. You just have to take the air dam is a 3-piece, so you want to take the 2 end pieces off, the left and the right. It's held on by 7mm bolts. You want to take those off just to make it easier on yourself to position the lip. I used double-sided tape to make sure it's stuck up there while I drilled it in, and also used my jack handle to hold it up there for assistance. There's little dots where the screws go on this lip. This is the Icon Motorsports C5 ZR1 style lip. After you're done installing, you should be able to put back on your side air dams. If you've seen my car or any pictures, you know I drilled 1/2-inch holes through the lip to try to get more airflow in there. It didn't really work. I have seen some people cut a slit in this part where I'm drilling, and it looks like it's working for them, but I just decided to get rid of this one because it didn't work for me. I was trying to be a little bit different. I got the idea off of, like, you know, the Mustang and Honda hatchbacks, how they drill pretty big holes in their bumpers to get more airflow, but I didn't like it. Just tore it up, I feel, for no reason. As far as ground clearance, it looks good. It clears. It'll scrape in some steep driveways. I liked it. I like the style of it, but it ran 220 through traffic. When you get to a stoplight, you're going right up to 230. I'm pretty sure that has a lot to do with my condenser, though, like I said earlier. So when I got back from Vegas, though, in LS Fest, I took it off, and as of right now, there is a C5 ZR1 style lip that's kind of redirects the air that's on Amazon, or the Carbon Creations Vortex style one, but I don't know which one I'm gonna go with yet, so I don't know. It looked good while I had it, but it's not for me. So there will be a part 2 whenever I get the next clip, and I will show you guys. So thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.